Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store on your Android phone. So open up your Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on search, then type in Glo Cave app, then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you install this app. So click on install. After a successful download, click on open. So welcome to Glo Cave. Next thing you need to do is to click on new user right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then click on next, next, next. Enter your Glo mobile number right here. After you enter your Glo mobile number, click on here to agree to the term of service. Next thing you need to do is to click on request OTP. The next thing you need to do is to copy the OTP. This is the OTP right here. So you have the OTP right here, 137040. So come back here and enter the OTP 137040. Then click on submit. After you successfully activate your Glo Cave, next thing you need to do is to make sure you go to products right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to data services. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on Night Plan right here. So right here, there are as at the time of making this video, there are two types of night plan available right now. For as low as 60 naira, you are getting 350 megabytes for one night. For as low as 120 naira, you are getting 750 megabytes for one night. Just like what you see right here. Starting from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. The volume is 750 megabytes. However, you can decide to choose different options right here. You can decide to make it auto renewal or one off. So if you choose one off, you are getting the same value as you are getting it in auto renewal. And one more thing here is that you can either buy with your airtime, or better still, you can buy with your bank card. So if you are choosing any options right here, so if you are choosing buy with airtime, definitely you must have airtime on your Glo line. However, if you do not have airtime on your Glo line, you have to opt to buy with bank card. Once you click on buy with bank card, make sure you choose options, the package you want right here. Once you choose package, choose the bank payment, click on back pay with, then click on buy with bank card and proceed to enter your card detail and make payment. Once you make payment, the plan is going to be activated for you and you start browsing with just 120 naira and get this particular value starting from 12 a.m. and end with 5 a.m. This is just for night package for every Glo user. For more tutorial about Glo Data Hack, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.